Keeping ingredients safe during summer at a pop-up drink stand comes down to three things: constant cold temperatures, clean surfaces, and limiting how long anything sits out in the heat. Here's the part most people never think about. Bacteria grow the fastest between 40 degrees and 140 degrees, and that range is called the danger zone. In the summer heat, your ingredients can slide into that danger zone in under 30 minutes if they are just sitting on a table. So the real secret is not just having ice, it is having enough ice packed tightly around your containers, not just underneath them. A good trick is to freeze half of your water or juice ingredients ahead of time in the same containers you plan to serve from, so they act as their own ice pack while slowly thawing into the drink itself. Also, keep a small cooler thermometer inside your ice chest. Because ice alone does not guarantee a temperature, you want everything sitting at or below 40 degrees the entire time you are open, and checking it every hour or two takes only a few seconds but saves you from a costly mistake. One common mistake is leaving cut fruit or dairy-based ingredients out on the counter for presentation, thinking it looks nicer, but that is exactly what pushes them into the danger zone fastest. So keep display portions small and refill often from the cooler instead. Another thing people overlook is cross-contamination from scoops or hands touching ice directly, so always use a dedicated scoop with a handle and never your hands. Lastly, many stands forget that melted ice water sitting at the bottom of a cooler warms everything above it, so drain and refresh your ice regularly throughout the day. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.